Secretary is the executive director.
Mahaswamiji, presenting our sincere pranamas to His Holiness Parama Pujya Jagadguru Shri 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 Nirmalananda Mahaswamiji, Pontiff Adichunchandgiri Mahasamsthanam, also presenting our sincere pranamas to His Holiness Shri Shri Gudanatha Swamiji, Adichunchandgiri Mahasamsthanam, Sringeri branch.
I, Kartika CN, Assistant Professor, Department of CSME.
Me, Nagmani CR, Assistant Professor in EC Department.
Welcome you all for the Alumni Meet 2014. In every human life, it gives him or her a bunch of laughter, emotion and joy, and we all here are proud that we spent them in AIT.
Memory is a way of holding on to the things you love, the things you are, the things you never want to lose. We, the proud alumni of AIT, have gathered together in the AIT campus to savor the beautiful memories. What we are is God's gift to us, and what we become is our gift to God. To seek the blessings of God, I call upon Mrs. Kavita, Assistant Professor in ENT Department, to the invocation.
He is currently the chairman of Kannada Books Publication Committee, Belgaum, National Executive Council member of IST Delhi, Academic Senate member of BTU Belgaum, member of Indian Engineering Dean Council, and the chairman of Regional Chapter of Treatment. He was the chairman of IST Karnataka Section LIC Committee, BTU Belgaum, and also a national awardee from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan as the best engineering college principal of the year 2005. So I request our beloved principal, Dr. C.K. Subraya sir, to address the gathering.
Pranams to the divine soul of His Holiness Parama Pujya Jagadguru Padma Bhushan awardee, a great architect of this institute, Parama Pujya Jagadguru Shri 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 Balagangadharananda Mahaswamiji, who has started this particular institution. At that time, I can say it's the remotest place, although it was a district headquarter, no facilities, not an education hub. But in spite of that, what made him, still we are all introspecting ourselves, What made him to start an institution of this kind of professional college at Chikmagalur? That shows his forethought and vision, and probably the love and affection towards the nature. He wanted to start this particular institution at Chikmagalur. Although many people have suggested Captain Care is also best. So many people, after hearing all those, he started this particular institution in your place. Wherever you are, ಸದಯ ಪುರಾಣಿಕರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗುವ ಮೊದಲು ಮಾನವನಾಗುವ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗೆ ಕುವೆಂಪುರವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರುವ ನೀವೆಂದೇ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರುವುದು. ಹಾಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರಿನವರು, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ರು, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ರು, ಯು ಆಲ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 35 ವರ್ಷ ಇದು ಸತತವಾಗಿ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರು. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಂತಹ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯರಿಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಂದಿಸಿ, ಮೈ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಲೋಟಸ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹೋಲಿನೆಸ್ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಜಗದ್ಗುರು ದಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಂಟಿಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ ಮಹಾಸಂಸ್ಥಾನ ಶ್ರೀ 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 ನಿರ್ಮಲಾನಂದನಾಥ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ, who is also did his diploma, then later on an engineering from NIE Mysore with distinction, first class. Later on he moved to the IIT Chennai, at that time IIT Madras, and he obtained the first rank in structural engineering. And he chose, although at that time there was a lot of demand for the professional people, but he chose in the field of serving the society at a larger extent. So my pronouns to him also, and actually today he wanted to come here, personally he wanted to bless you, all of you, and get introduced to himself, but today is a Bhairava Ashtami. Only once in a year it comes, and it is on Sunday only today. So therefore, he told, I am unable to come today because many pilgrims are coming there today, performing puja and all. I have to be there. But nevertheless, please inform all my proud alumni of this great institution. In fact, they are the pillars, and today the name and fame, whatever this institution has got, it is just because of serving the society in a larger extent. So therefore, he has wished each one of you individually for this, coming all over different places. So, like that way. And another from Puja Sri Gunanatha Swamiji, as you know that he has also come for that puja, because all the district in charge Swamijis also have to be there. Mr. Shivanandi, the first registrant, in fact first man who entered this year by paying a meager, of course not much, I think that he has to tell how much donation he has. 50-year batch, the principal of Sriranga Academy, the well-wisher of this institution, and Mr. Satnarayan is also one of the, because he is serving our institution. So today he is his father, Devegowda, you might have heard of him actually during those days. Actually, Ramegowda is also a town council member, and you are familiar with the Indava family. Say, I am Santamegowda. His family is also contributed a lot in by coming in. IDC college, you might have seen the government college. The donor of that, his family. So those are the people with us today. In one line, I extend a very warm welcome to each one of them on this occasion. Most importantly, there is no important or first or second or anything. We are all AIT family. But look at the kind of the infrastructure available at 1980 when we all joined. I was the first person appointed for this college. I don't know still today with you all and how long I will be there. I am already crossing all limits, and I have to give this opportunity for because people are there to work and enthusiastic, and that's the way of life. So during those days, you just imagine I can count a few autos in some places, maybe in Hanumantappa circle, today is that near the government hospital. You have to catch the auto, only you have to walk up that much distance, then only you have to, maybe 20, 25 auto rickshaws were there, heavily. So they are here, especially Philip Thomas, Jai Kumar, Anil, and some of the names of Mushanath Acharya, Chandrasekhar. I think I will get it introduced them. Actually, they are the great. See, we always see all of you. We get rejuvenated. We get better and better energy. We want to work towards this cause, because when you come back and tell that, sir, because of this institution, we don't know, because of us you might have not benefited much, but because of the institution, you all come out very well in your own chosen field. Then we get something this institution is doing. Let us work something more in a different way, so that more and more people will get benefited. So that's the idea. So first batch people have come, second batch is there, third batch, fourth batch, and the most importantly, I think 65 series, 58 series. The 25th year they are celebrating on their own way. They have a proud, moment to celebrate on their own way. The 25th Silver Jubilee they are celebrating. I don't know how they have celebrated yesterday and how they came yesterday.
You reinvented.
Yeah, nice enjoyment was there. That is what, if you are happy, they are happy. That's all, definitely. So I'm sure they have come, and all our till today listen. And many of the proud alumni are serving in the teaching profession. Teaching profession is the last, chosen this one. But nowadays many are coming, and they are all here. More than that, your respected teachers, some of the teachers and other faculty members and my dear other staff members are all here. I extend a very warm welcome to each one of you on this occasion. So we have made this function slightly simple, because I know that most of the last year more than 1,500 gathering was there. It's a get together more than any serious business or any discussion or anything innovative thing we are going to do here. It's a mutual kind of understanding each one of you, and mutual kind of help, establishing a network across everywhere, so that when the time comes, you all can get into action and help each other. So that is the main idea. Okay? So anyhow, once again welcome to each one of you on this occasion. Development of not only for our state or the country or the nation alone, for the world they are contributing in their own way. An institution which provides knowledge, skill, discipline, moral and ethical responsibilities to be successful in this great journey of life. In its 34 years of glorious existence, IIT has carved niche for itself, for its innovations and for quality education. I used to tell, the quality is not an accident. It's the commitment, the planning, the hard work. Overnight we cannot create a quality. So that is the thing today, what it has happened. It's not just for one person, it's the Swamiji's blessings. ಗುಡಿಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಂತ ಮಗು ಒಂದು ಎಸಿ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ತಾರಸಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಣ್ತುಂಬ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಹಂಬಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ wherein one time food is also difficult. Such a boy should come and study in this institution, and he should live afterwards, after educating him, he should live. So what else a person with our limited lifespan who did wonderful thing in just 30 years is a great thing, what I feel. Our revered Swamiji had a special affinity towards our college. The development of the institution was his foremost objective. The divine spirit of our revered Swamiji is guiding force and the eternal light, carrying us towards success. And it is my personal honor that today I am standing here as a principal of this great institution. Again, the AIT principal of the prestige, but your AIT has a distinction, something rare to have. So now let me take you that's what a small brief journey towards how it was started. As I told you, it was started there and it was affiliated to Mysore University. Later on, after 2 years, part of the program we have kept there and we have started living in the near the AIT circle. In that hostel also classes as well as this living place also we have. Later on we have built some of the extra infrastructures and at that time the Nuclear Sangha was kind enough to give us the land as a lease. We'll inspect and then we will certify. So the process started and they have also updated and today our students can put their MIE provided if you become a professional body members. So these are the things, of course, when the students pass certain information, we acted on them so immediately. So ABCD blocks, etc. As I told you, this
by lighting the lamp. Our college days, right? So here our alumni, Karnataka's council, also the founder director, Mangalore Alumni Association, and managing trustee of Spandana Charitable Trust to address the gathering.
Hello, Friday when the college started. Then of course the present Swamiji, it's an added advantage that he is an engineer and not just an engineer, an IIT graduate. With my friend was surprised why an IIT graduate is there as a spiritual head. I was telling our principal sir that there is a vision. And after the two Swamijis, I would really consider my dear principal and the dynamic person who was heading the college, Sri Subraya sir, when he told me the Swamijis, I was feeling that for us he was the Swamiji. In fact, when he read out the report and he told about the achievements, when my friends here would be surprised. Like, we were in that Vijayapura extension, we were there in one primary school which was converted into the engineering college. We are coming from other institutions where our friends are there, either MIT, KRTC and all huge institutions. When we come here, principal, excellent, dear S.T. Nagarajan sir is in one room and we are in the other room. When the bell rings, like sir said, he puts on his coat and we put on our blue shirt or khaki shirt and go to the class. And that's how our engineering career started. But today when I see my friend here, in the same breath I would say, when we completed, we had a couple of ranks and Mr. Jayakumar is here. When you have KRTC and you have MIT and we had AIT with these major facilities, now in the city to college ಹೋಗೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಜಯಪುರ ಜ್ಯೋತಿನಗರ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲಿಂದ ಈ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ಬುಲ್ಲಟ್ ಟೈರ್ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಟೈರ್ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ಉಂಟಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಓಡುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಚಕ್ರದಿತ್ತು ಅದು ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ರಬ್ಬರ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಓಡ್ತದೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಣಾ ಪ್ರತಾಪ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ರಾಜಪ್ಪ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಟೀಮ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಮೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮರೆಯಿದೆ, ಈಗ ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬಿಡುವುದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕವರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಜಂಗಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅವರಿಂದ so many huge things that is telling that advancement has changed. Actually, we have come to that stage. Engineers, of course, all our friends who are sitting here, Anil KG was a principal and he's been a root for all this. Philip Thomas, he has come like a courier service. He has reached there. He started from Madras, he has come to Bangalore, he has driven from there. Morning he is there only for this function and he is leaving after this. That morning, that yes, he is the unfolded train, Coast Commandant of the Coast Guard. He is coming after 30 years. Now, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ, ಅದೇ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಗ ಈಗ ತಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. 34 years back. That is how it started. ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದವರು ಅಮೆರಿಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಂತ, ನಮಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು ಅಮೆರಿಕಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಕಾರ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ IDS ಉಂಟು, IDS ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಸ್ ಉಂಟು. ಅದು ಬಸ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಅವರ ಹತ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಲೆಗೆ ವಿಂಡೋ ಇಂದ ಒಳಗೆ ಡೋರ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ IDS ನಮಗೆ ಸೀಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ 2-3 ಜನ ಆದರೆ. ದಟ್ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಬೆಳೆದು ಬಂತು. ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ, ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್, social differences, caste, nothing, you take the first batch. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೋ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ, ಫಿಲಿಪ್ ಥಾಮಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು? ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ನವರು. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದನಿಗೆ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಹಂಸರು ಒಂದು ಡಬ್ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಹೋದ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೋದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಭಯಂಕರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಟ್ಟು ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಡಬ್ಬಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಏನೋ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಉಂಟು. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ, ನಾವು ಬರೋದು ಮಗುವಾಗಿ ಎಂತ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಟಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ತುಂಬುತ್ತೇವೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುಬ್ರಾಯ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವೇರ್ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಪೀಪಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಎತ್ತಿನ ಗಾಡಿ. ಬಟ್
ಈಗ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ 2 ಸರಿ 3 ಸರಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದಾಗ
Association. I request Dr. G.M. Satyanarayan Sir, Secretary, Alumni Association, to present the alumni report.
Good morning, everybody. I take very few minutes to brief the Alumni Association activity report. I submit my comments to Sri Vaidavakya Dr. Parambhujya Balakrama Swamiji. My humble sincere promise to Sri Nirvanatma Swamiji. My sincere promise to Sri Gurunathama Swamiji. And dignitaries honored of the rest. And my dear friends, especially the pillars of our late first class students, as well as this year, 25th year, celebrated yesterday. We had a nice get together in Homestead, Ampi. There are these 1986. Several community get together were held back. Let me report on the vacation we had get together. In 1989, the first alumni get-together was held at college campus. 4th February 1997 at college campus. 24th August 2003 at Aditya Engineering College, Vijayanagara, Bangalore. 27th November 2005, during college civil degree function, we had the get-together at campus only. To strengthen the alumni association, a collective decision was taken to conduct the alumni meet on second Sunday of December every year. Now, following which the get-togethers were held on 13 December 2009, Sunday at college campus, 12 December 2010, Sunday at college campus, 10 December 2011, Sunday at college campus, 8 December 2012, Sunday at college campus. Due to unavoidable circumstances, the alumni meet was held on third Sunday in last year, 22nd December 2014 at SJVAT Bangalore. Now, there are alumni chapters outside the state as well as the country. AIT Alumni Chennai chapter, which is having a strong alumni network in Tamil Nadu, as principal said, who meet once in a year during August with the coordination of the main alumni association. The meets were held on 14th and 15th August 2010, Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu. 15th of August 2011 at Hosur, Tamil Nadu. 15th and 16th of August 2012, Sri Paramandur, Tamil Nadu. 16th and 17th August 2013 at Airport Hill Station, Salem, Tamil Nadu. 16th and 17th August 2014 at Odi, Tamil Nadu, last week. Now, this chapter principal has said, showing gratitude to Sarma Mehta by sponsoring the entire fee to the two students, those who are academically and economically backward students. Alumni AIT Kerala chapter, they met at Kochi 6 December 2006. I think Mr. Peter and their batchmates they were participated in the Kochi meet. Alumni get-together also held outside the country at Baltimore, USA in the year 2006, at UAE 2008 under the leadership of Mr. Philip as well as DJ Coles in Dubai, and San Jose, USA in 2014 last year. Then we have initiated the tradition of celebrating 25th year, those are completed 25th year from the year of admission. Okay, because only with the intention of so that after the 25 years they can meet each other. Okay, since 2008, you are practicing the 25th year the civil jubilee for the respective the batches. Then we are looking forward some valuable suggestions from your side. Okay, so that we have circulated some feedback letter also. Please give us feedback. As well as we look forward the long pending proposals to build the alumni complex in the college campus, consisting of alumni guest house. Okay, so that no need to stay in the hotel in Chikmagalur, they can directly come to campus and replace the guest house. Okay, that's why we're looking forward to this contribution. Already it's on planning estimation is also ready. Then it's on the
train from Mangalore, he has to catch. So therefore, Gerardine has to accompany him. Maybe Anil is the responsible for bringing them also to the complete. Now we want to honor Gerardine first. And the function will continue. So, in fact, they were telling we would have we will meet some occasion. Sure. Prem Kumar, you are all really doing wonderfully well during those days, and we'll meet sometime. I'll interact with you through email.
Thank you.
Thank you. I would like to congratulate and thank the higher series. There are some of them that have written lot of things to organize this yesterday. Like I said, I would like to thank Mr. Vishwanath and
Department of Agriculture and Marketing.
Yes.
ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ ಕಲ್ಲೇಗೌಡರವರಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಸವಲತ್ತುಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಒಕ್ಕಲಿಗರ ಸಮುದಾಯದವರು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಹೊಣೆಗೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಬನ್ನಿ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಜ್ಯ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆ ಥರ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ರೈತರ ಕುಟುಂಬಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಗೋಮಾತೆಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹಸು ಕರೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪೂಜೆ ಗುರುಗಳು ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲು ಬೀಳಿಸೋದೇ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಲು ಮುಟ್ಟು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋರು, ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಲು ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಬಂದರು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಗೆ. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಅಂದರು. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರಿ ಸೈಜು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಾಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ತಂದು ನೀವು ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಈಡೇರಿಸೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 2ನೇ ಒಂದು ನಟರಾಜ್ ಅಂತ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ನಿಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರು. ಸರ್, ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ ಒಕ್ಕಲಿಗರ ಸಂಘ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಂಕು ಚಕ್ರ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಸರ್, ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಸಾರಿ ಏನು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಮುಂದುವರಿತು. ಅನೇಕ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟ್ ಆದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಈಗ AWA ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಗೇನಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಕೈಕ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್. ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ
ಪರಮಪೂಜ್ಯ ಜಗದ್ಗುರು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಭೂಷಣ ಶ್ರೀ 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 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಲಗಂಗಾಧರ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದ ಜಗದ್ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ 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 ನಿರ್ಮಲಾನಂದ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದ ಜನ್ಮಿಸಿದ ಹಾಗೂ ವೇದಿಕೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ CK ಸುಬ್ರಾಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಇತರ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ವಿಶ್ಡ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸುತ್ತಾ It is the opportunity of God after 25 years, so we got to meet each other. Another thing is, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರು ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದೇ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಥವಾ ದೂರದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಒಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. That is the reason Swamiji has established this institution at this site, and there is a there was no
principle of Eureka.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರವೇ ನಮಃ. ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸಿ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ ಮಠದ ವೈರವೈದ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ 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 ಬಾಲಗಂಗಾಧರನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರ ನಮಿಸಿ ಈಗಿನ ಪೀಠಾಧೀಶರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ 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 ನಿರ್ಮಲಾನಂದನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸಿ ಈ ಭಾಗದ ಶೃಂಗೇರಿ ಶಾಖಾ ಮಠದ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುಣನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ ನಮಿಸಿ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು ಗುರುಗಳು ಆದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ CK ಸುಬ್ರಾಯ ಸರ್ಗೆ, ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರೇ, AIT ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೃಂದದವರೇ, 58 ಸೀರೀಸ್ನ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ, ಇತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಳೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಆತ್ಮೀಯರೇ, ಬಹುಶಃ ಈಗೇನು ಕಾಲೇಜು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಹಿಂದೆ ಮೈದಾನ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ಗುಡ್ಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ 1 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದೂರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದನ ಮೇಯಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಭಾನುವಾರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದನ ಮೇಯಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತ ನನ್ನಂತ ಹುಡುಗ ರಜಾ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಚುಚ್ಚೆಗುಡ್ಡ ಅಂತ, ಈ ಚುಚ್ಚೆಗುಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌದೆಯನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತ ನನ್ನಂತ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಡು ಬಡತನದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ then only our life will be fruitful. ಬಹುಶಃ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವು ಹೇಳು ನನ್ನ ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನು ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಸಮಯ ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೂ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದ ಎರಡು ಅನುಭವಗಳನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಒಬ್ಬ ಧರ್ಮೇಶ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತೀರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಬಹಳ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಅವರ ಶವವನ್ನ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಮೂಡಿಗೆರೆಗೆ ತಂದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಾಡಿತ್ತು, ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸುಮಾರು 2,500 ಜನ ಅವರ ಅಂತಿಮ ದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಮೂಡಿಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವರು ಏನು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೇ ಭಾರಿ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಅಂತ ಅನಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ the day he lived, the day he served in the society, the commitment he had was a wonderful example for the society. ಮತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅವರ ಅಂತಿಮ ದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಪಡೆದರು. ಇದನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಬರೀ ಶ್ರೀಮಂತಿಕೆ, ಬರೀ ಹಣ, ಬರೀ ಅಂತಸ್ತು, ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಖಂಡಿತ ಮನುಷ್ಯನನ್ನ ಗೌರವಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಬದುಕ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾದದ್ದು.
I request Mr. Dr. Vatsala Sharma to come on stage and share his memories.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Their batch was one of the best. That they all selected for Air Force about 89. 89. That's the period I went for PhD. Unfortunately, this is what when I went go to the US, his friends are there, Sergeant George and all. They are the friends. One Mr. Ravi. There are 3 members. After training, they went for trial of the Air Force this one plane. So all the 3 from our college same day, went with an accident. They died. So that was very unfortunate. We are really fortunate today that Professor Mohan is with us. He was also completed the training and he was also supposed to go there due to probably some health problem or anything. Next stage. So it's our fortunate. Anyhow, this is the thing I wanted to tell you. So unfortunate. Whenever I go there, one of the teachers' son was at municipal hospital near Ravi Kumar. Ravi, yeah. What's there's not much time. See, we have another 2-3 people who will interact.
ब्रह्मानंदं परमसुखदं केवलज्ञानमुक्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्याखिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षीभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि. पूज्य ಸದ್ಗುರುಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ 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 ಬಾಲನಾಥನ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಬ್ರಾಯ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ವಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್. ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. Air Force select ಆಯಿತು. I was the first student from AT College Chikmagalur to be selected for Indian Air Force as a pilot officer. In fact, I am very proud to stand in front of you that there are many people like me, more talented, more powerful, who have been serving in different aspects of the society. So what happened? Another 3 people got selected in the next batch. It was very unfortunate. I was very happy that we 4 are there. Now 4 ಜನ ಇದ್ವಿ. we can serve the society. There was an air experience in Air Force join anaga nimmella ಒಂದು air experience ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. That was the first experience where you have flown in the transport aircraft. I don't know, fortunate or unfortunate, I was supposed to go in the next aircraft. First aircraft take off ಆಯ್ತು. 3 ಜನರನ್ನು unfortunately they were sitting in the same aircraft. The aircraft took off. We were all standing on the runway to see that. Okay, it's a very nice experience because now we can go back to different locations of the country after the training to serve the country. Now, the aircraft took off, one of the engines failed. Within few seconds, the aircraft hit the ground. As you know that the entire fuel will be saved, it is saved in the fuselage, the wings are electric. The aircraft, burned into flames. All 29 people, 29 officers who were on the aircraft, all got killed. They were just, surprised, anxiety, fear. Because we are all come here to serve the country. We never expected that we're going to lose our friends, comrades, who want to go to the different forward areas of the country and serve. The people who have been trained, this is the history, the first time in the history of Indian Air Force, 29 officers got killed in one crash. Out of that, 3 officers were from AIG Chikmagalur. It was a great agony. We were all standing. Just I want to tell about this for some time because this is our own students, our own batchmates who wanted to serve the country. They laid down their lives and handling their parents were very difficult. And of course, what they told, the parents came. They said, we wanted our children who have done their engineering and to serve the country and give their lives to the country. Of course, I am still there to see my son, of course not fighting for the country, but still it happened. Some incidents, some accident happened, but still they gave their lives to the country. And it was a great distress. And the Air Force has to learn a lot from this accident. And that was one of the incidents which gave me a lot of strength. Because 4 years studying here, I'm very proud to say I was the topper in all the 4 years. The facilities here at that time, I don't think it is anything less than any global facility at that time itself. I used to make use of the library, the professors, the lecturers. Professor Madhava was the HOD. He was so helpful. Whenever I used to go to him and then ask any question, and he used to say, Sharma, only you will come for asking questions. Why other students are not coming? Now I am telling you that the facility is there. Only how you will make use of the facility is very, very important. So the second thing what happened was the sports facility. I was champion 4 years. I was university champion and then I was state record in Bollywood. We had such a nice facility here. I don't know how many people must have used the sports facility here. Krishna Gauru, the physical instructor, so tough. Still he is there. Oh, sorry, I want to I don't know. I want to really tell my wishes and then my pronouns to him. Trainings is for that. He used to ensure that he used to come in the evening. Nangoskara bandu facilities open madilla namage training kodbeku anta. 4 years, continuously 4 years, we made in Mysore University, Tuam University. Ella kade we used to go and win prizes and come for the school, for the college. Nange ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಇಂಥ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಯಾಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So we are very proud ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು because after 25 years I am thankful to all my friends who have invited me here, Vishwanath and other people. They made such a nice arrangement. And coming back here, I see a sea change in the entire institution. At that time itself we had a world class, I used to feel world class facility we had. Because after this, after Air Force, I was topper in Air Force also. Because the attitude and then the background, the backup, the training which was given to me, I feel till today that is helping me, sir, to wherever I go, I remember the college and then I see that it's really built me up into a strong individual and where I can really perform.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯ ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸುತ್ತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಈ ಸತಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕರೆದು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಈ ಥರ ಬರದೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮಾತು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಬೇಕಾ? ಬರೀ ಅರ್ಥ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕ? ಕುವೆಂಪು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೋಡಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಕಲಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ಪ ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿ, ಮಾತು ಅರ್ಥ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯರ್ಥ, ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥವಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ತಾಕತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಮಾತಿಗೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ನರಸಿಂಹಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೊಂದು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸಾಲಿನ ಹುಡುಗರು ಸೇರಿ ನಾನು ಮಾತನಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಮಾತಿನ ಒತ್ತಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದನೇ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಅವಕಾಶ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಆ ಅವಕಾಶ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈಗ ಕಲಿಸನಿಗೆ ಓ ಗುರುವೇ, ಗುರುಗಳು ಯಾರು ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಬಹುಶಃ ಈಗಿನ ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ದು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಂತ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಕಾಲ ಅದು. ಕಲಿಸನಿಗೆ ಓ ಗುರುವೇ, ಮರುಗುವುದ ಮಣಿಯುವುದ ಪರಸುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಗ್ಗುವುದ, ಬೀಗದಿಯ ಮನವಂದ ನೀಡನೆಗೆ ಮನ್ನಿಸೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪುಗಳ ಓ ಗುರುವೇ, ಮನ್ನಿಸೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪುಗಳ ಓ ಗುರುವೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಇರಲಿ, ನಂಬಿಕೆ, ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸೋಣ. ನಾವು ಅನೇಕರು 25 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಂತ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಕಳೆದಂತೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೊರಗಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ ದಾರಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಹೊರಗಾಟ? ಒಂದು ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೇರಿದ್ರು. ಊರ್ನವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಳೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳ ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಿದ್ರು, ಊರ್ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಳೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದ್ರು. ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಛತ್ರಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಿಂತಂತೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು, ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಮಳೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಛತ್ರಿ ಇತ್ತ. ಆ ತರ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಎರಡೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಾಧಿಸ್ಬೋದು. 25 ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ಕೂಡ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ 25 ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದವರು, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ 25 ವರ್ಷ ಕಳೆದವರು ಅನೇಕ ಕೊರತೆಗಳು ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ DVG ಅವರು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬರದಿರುವುದರ ಎಣಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವುದ ಮರೆಯದಿರು, ಬರದಿರುವುದರ ಎಣಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರುವುದ ಮರೆಯದಿರು, ಒಳಿತುಗಳ ಗುರುತಿಸು, ಕೇಡುಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇರುವ ಭಾಗ್ಯವ ನೆನೆದು ಬಾರನೆಂಬುದನ್ನು ಬಿಡು, ಹರ್ಷಕ್ಕದೆ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುವುದೇ ಮಾತು. ಬಹುಶಃ ಆ ಮಾತು ನೆನಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂತ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಋಣ ತೀರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹಾಗೂ ಬಹುಶಃ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿದಂತ ಋಣ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತೀರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನ ಮಾತು ಋಣ ತೀರಿಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಅವಕಾಶ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಯಾರು ವಂಚಿತನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ದೂರ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಬಹುಶಃ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಋಣ ತೀರಿಸಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲಿನ ಭಾರವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದೇನೋ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Mr. Divakar to come on stage and share his memories.
Dignitaries on the dais and my friends. Why I have to meet today? Why is it that we need to meet every year as alumni? I think at any point of time when you look back in life, the institution has to ask itself what is it that it has done to the place, what is it has done to students, and students should look back and say what is it that we have given back to the institution. given back to the place where we come from. If at least few of you are the original, we call the original localized people, the people who would have been here in the 60s and 70s, like Mohan sir, who would have seen rain for 10 months in a year and who would not have seen electricity for 10 hours in a day. So if you are looking at it and ask what this institution has done, please understand, in the 70s, the only reason Chikmagalur came for any news was that Indira Gandhi stood for a re-election. And everybody forgot after that also. Nobody knew Chikmagalur. And when AIG came, okay, we got a college. This was the first time the whole scenario of Chikmagalur changed. For the first time in the country, we had people coming from outside the state visiting this place. Nobody had heard about Chikmagalur before that. Today, if you go on Facebook, people say, incredible Chikmagalur, 1 lakh likes. 1 lakh, we didn't even have a population of 10,000 that time. So what are you speaking about, 1 lakh likes today? This is what the institution has done. Now, don't ask yourself how many engineers came out of this. Look at how a city has gone beyond MG Road. Do you know there was nothing called an MG Road from Chikmagalur? We had seen only an MG Road. And when Mohan sir built his house, he was an outsider because he had built it a little outside the city. Where? Vijaypur. Right? That's how this. So this is the.
Now, here is a surprise for 5-8 series and the first batch students, first batch alumni students. I request our beloved principal Dr. C.K. Sudhar sir to take chief from this.
M.V. ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಓದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓದಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? ಯಾ.
ನಾನು ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಅವನು ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್.
Very fantastic offer he got. He has to propose any of his classmates.
You can just deny how you can propose it. You can just deny
25 years back.
25 years back.
Propose. Then there was no premium.
ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ನಾವು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತು, ಅಬ್ರಾಹಂ ಅಂತ. ಯಾ, ಸೊ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಚಂದ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ರೈಟ್. Okay, next time.
Ramesh Shetty.
Ramesh Shetty.
1996.
96. Ramesh Shetty. Which batch? 96.
Best female and male friend in AIT. Okay, this is the tough one. And there's nothing, any specific person I can pick.
Best.
He said best. 96. 96, okay. Yeah, I had couple of my I'm basically from Chikmagalur. High school, primary, and AIT. I had some friends from my primary. I don't think they're here today. Lava Kumar, Vikram, and among the female also. They were from my primary school. Not sure if they're here. Rajeshwari. We have Facebook and most of them are in Bangalore and they couldn't make it here today. But hopefully
Your classmates, girls were there?
Oh yeah, yes.
Can you name one or two?
Oh yes, we had, I don't think here, I don't think I can recognize them now because I haven't seen their pictures. Shruti Nane, Cindy Francis.
Yes.
They had only one and they never forget. Yeah, I kind of live, my parents live nearby, so I visit here every year. But this is the first time I had an opportunity to come and come here to this meeting. Somehow I always miss out. So I would make sure I come here every year. Memorable event ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ 50th ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಟೋರಿಯಂ ಇತ್ತು. ಹುಡುಗರು ನಾವು ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಂಗೆ ನಮ್ದು ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಹಚ್ಚಿದ್ರು. ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ನಾನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓದೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೂಪರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ ಗುಂಡು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಆ ಓದೆಗೂ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬಂತು. ಐ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್.
First question maybe. I didn't have one.
For all first year batches, you should never have fresh proposal and all these things.
You had one.
Nice. Thank you. Year of passing is 96.
Elect your favorite lecture. Favorite lecture. Lecturer. No, they have written lecture. Not lecturer, it is lecture.
Roots of my form.
Before we return, I need to take 2 minutes to introduce myself. I'm not Srinivas, but I grabbed the opportunity because I wanted to come back on stage. My name is Keshav, and nobody knows my name in this college. That is the type we live here. And sorry, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಇಮೇಜ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಲೀವ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೇಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಭಕ್ತವತ್ಸಲ ಶರ್ಮಾ, he was a bright student. When he stepped into the college, one of our lecturers asked him who are you. He couldn't able to recognize who is. But they recognized me. That is because what is this? This is Saraswati Mandir. College ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬರದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಇದ್ದಾಗ very great. But real Saraswati Putras are the people who detain. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸರಸ್ವತಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. Unfortunately or fortunately, I came outside in the year 93. Not because of we are not blind or we are not that is ಆದರೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ we never took our education in a serious way. Others we have never. ಅದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ I not been working in 5 organizations. I work with Nanda Tires, I work with TVS Sri Chakra Tires, I work with Exide Industries, which is the brand leader in India. And now I am working for Birla Tires as regional manager. I am handling 3 states, Karnataka, Goa. Educationally, we need to learn something. Both our interpersonal capability in we can grow. It is not that we are all. We never took this education as serious. ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಓದೋದ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓದೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗಳ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ನಮಗೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕೂಡ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ.
ಕೇಶವ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ?
I can recollect 2-3 incidents. ಒಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುಬ್ರಾಯ ಕೂಡ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ I was here for 8 years. I used to see lot of borders, see lot of incidents. ಹಾಗೆ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಾನು ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ಅವರು ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ವಾರ್. ನಾನು ಬಂದೆ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್. ನಾನು ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾರಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಬಂದೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅವರೇ ನೋಡೋ ನನಗೆ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಡಿನೈಡ್ ನೋ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್. ಸೊ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ 3000 rupees ಫಾರ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್. ಆ 3000 rupees ನನ್ನ ಜೋಬಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಇವ್ರು 2 ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು, 3 ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು, 4ನೇ ದಿನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಮ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನಾನು 3000 rupees ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮೈಸೂರು. ಅಗೇನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ಟುಕ್ ಮನಿ. ಈ ಸರಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ಇದಾರ ಸರ್?
Only Andaman was vacant.
Afterwards, he told me the same. ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನಾನು ಫೈನಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ಹೋದಾಗ 13 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದರ ಒಂದೇ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್. One more thing, I never copied. ಅದೇ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಪವರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಈಗಲೂ ಆ ಮ್ಯೂಪಿ ಅಂತ ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಐಪಿ. ನನಗೆ ಜಿಯಾಲಜಿ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಒನ್. ಇವರು ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ ಮ್ಯೂಪಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಟಫ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ತಪ್ಪೋತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ಥ್ರೋನ್ ನನ್ನ ಚೀಟ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಓದಿದ್ದೆ, ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. Right?
This is why we appreciate your spirit, and he has become one of the most successful now. That's the great thing. Do well. Favorite person imitate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಯಾರನ್ನಪ್ಪ ನೀವೇ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ರಂಗೇಗೌಡರು. Yes, he's not lecturer, but still the supporting staff. Relative of right? ನಮ್ಮ ರಂಗೇಗೌಡರು and he is little bit ನಾವೇನೋ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋರು, ನಾವೇನು ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹುಡುಗರ ಹತ್ರ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಅಶೋಕ್ ತಿವಾರಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗೈ. ನಾವು ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಡಿಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟೋ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್. ಅವರು ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಕರೆದೇವ್ರು ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇವಾಗ ಏನೋ ವೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಒಂದು ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಶೋಕ್ ತಿವಾರಿ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದ. ದಿಸ್ ರಂಗೇಗೌಡ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಅವರು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿ ಹುಡುಗರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ನು ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ ಸಾರಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ ಅವನ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಸಾರಿ ಬೈದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿದೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದ. ಒಳಗೆ ಕರಿಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಈ ಹಿಮ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಗೆಟ್ ಔಟ್. Always he used to thrill very much English ಕಾವಟೆ ಮೇಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಅವ್ನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ವೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ನನಗೆ ಹುಡುಗರ ಕಮ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸರೌಂಡ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಕರೆದವರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನೋ ಅವತ್ತು ದಿನ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಶೆಕೆ ಏನೋ ಇತ್ತು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಸಾರಿ, ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಥ್ರಿಲ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
KH ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ favorite song of the year student of your student life.
Dear friends, ನನಗೆ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಹಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಜಿತ್ ರಾವ್
class, yo, the gatherings, first batch.
Respected gatherings of the dais and my friends here. My name is Ajit Rao. 1980, joined this college. Unfortunately, I came from a place like Bombay. When my father admitted me here, I was shocked. Because my primary school was bigger than this. I told my dad, Papa, यहाँ नहीं पढ़ना है, बाहर जाता हूँ. My dad said, boss, Subhash Bhandari is also with you, compete with you. What a competition. I entered it. We had a lot of friends, all our batchmates. And it was raining very heavily at those times also. We used to, we had some common bathrooms. I don't know if you have seen those places. Hot water was a rarity. We used to pass on buckets in the morning. Hey, Nanda da Matanam. Like that. वो पहला करके आएगा, बाद में मैं स्नान करता हूँ. So it was a queue-like system. It made us very strong. Now you might think they were saying proposal, ये करो, वो करो. अरे क्या करेंगे? हमने लड़की का शक्ल ही नहीं देखा था. You will not believe. We have forgotten how a girl looks like. Because we were most of the time impressed in this particular thing. Food for survival, we had a beautiful cook. So I used to tell him, boss, that actually you still remember, I think my friends will remember that. I used to tell him, boss, one extra egg, you keep it to me. So this was the way we had survived here. Gerard said that going on the cart and all these things. The other was our lab. We never had a lab. Today your facilities are good. You say we should use our facilities. We did use our facilities. We had a book, strength of materials. UTM machine was there. We used to say, dial either a ऐसे वैसे करना है. Where did they take us? Polytechnic. सारा उसमें जो है वैसे UTM machine ही नहीं है उधर. But you know you search for the time which is there. And our lecturer says, use that UTM machine. अरे कैसे करेंगे यार? जो बुक में है उधर नहीं है, उधर है, बुक में नहीं है. अभी चालू करके बताओ. चालू हो गया था. And she was once in a year like, it's UTM में एक बार जाके आना है. After you come back, those are things, then you forget how the UTM looks like till the examination comes. Then they don't take us there for the examination. Right there, chalo. We used to remember, इसका strength इतना है, लिखो, pass. Because UTM नहीं था. When we afterwards we came, right, on the first floor, and we had a very nice time. Our classes were down. Hostels were down. Classes was on the top. When lecturer used to go out, we would be all in the lungi, ऐसे खड़ा रह के देखते ये जाएगा कि बाहर जाएगा. Lecturer ऊपर चले, we saw student चलो पैंट पहन के भागो. एक हाथ में किताब लिया पहुंच गए. Classes start. Mr. Sudhar used to take us maths. Unfortunately, we couldn't even learn. Because he was very young at that time, very handsome. There were no girls for us. First time. First time. He used to get sick of seeing us. And sometimes he used to tell us, in classes attend ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ भाग जाने को नहीं तो रख के क्या करें नहीं आते हैं तो मजाक करते रहते हैं हमारे से पढ़ाने क्या है. And our studies was like, since we are there, it was a combined studies many of them. Mr. Surya also was. We had brilliant guys, Chandrasekhar, Jay Kumar, Manjunath. I was like, उनके पास जब 10 मिनट बैठो क्या करते हैं देखो सब थोड़ा देख के बाहर आया. Because I had so many friends with me. Each room we go, someone will be studying some subject. Sit with them for half an hour, invite something. I never studied on my own, but passed. Became an engineer. Engineer बनने के बाद पता चला हम जो कर रहे हैं वो सही किए कि नहीं किए. When we went for the job interviews, we understood our capability and the strength because of what we had gone through. So I thank AIT in other terms. As Mr. Vaktasalam says, use of the facilities. I say, since we didn't have any other facility, we became so strong. Because we understood, कुछ भी मिला उसका फायदा ले लो. बाद में इसके लिए आप उठना नहीं. वो नहीं है चलेगा. आगे देखो क्या मिल रहा है. That made us more strong. Mr. Diwakar, I think he also spoke some very nice things. हल्ला हल्ला कुछ रहनिया कुछ भी कल बंदा Allah knows that. Honey, put it there. See, I am a product of AIT. उतना तो mistake करता हूँ. उसमें क्या है? I don't feel embarrassed about this.
सभी को माफी है.
उधर प्रियंका चोपड़ा का सब को माफ था. AIT में पढ़ने के बाद हमें सभी माफी माफ. After that, I think we used the first year batch. We became strong because of the facilities which were not able. Good lecturers like Mr. Suplaya used to take great care of us. He had the single facilities as well. So I don't blame him for whatever he has done. Because his facilities were the same. हमारे पास चाहिए तो उनके पास भी उतना ही. दूसरा कुछ नहीं. But it was a bonding. Because all went through the same struggle. And ये ऐसा है ना अफगानिस्तान वार में सब गए तालिबान के साथ घूमते हुए हम तो वैसे ही थे. So what happened was that bonding still today is there. Now 35 years is a long time. People have said क्या है यार ये कि it has made my life miserable. क्यों आना है नहीं? Correct? नहीं. Now what we feel is we go every year. Reason is we want to see how much more it has improved. What are the better facilities there? As Mr. Diwakar said.
Seeking the blessings of the Divine Swamiji. I'm really glad that we heard so much from so many athletes, their experiences.
Thank you.